So why do people have cold showers when they have hot water available to them, or choose to dunk themselves in freezing cold ice baths, or even choose to fast? It's about resilience. So when we're thinking about life optimization, always ask, what would my hunter-gatherer ancestors have done? Now, why do we want to ask that even though we're now these fully evolved modern humans? It's because we have evolved based on our earlier hunter-gatherer selves, not these modern convenience humans, which is why our modern lives are making us sick and stressed. Back in the day, before supermarkets and Deliveroo and convenience, we would sometimes have had an abundance of food and we'd eat it and enjoy it. And at other times, we wouldn't have had that much. When no meat had been caught, we would forage for fruits and roots, and we were used to that. Nowadays, we eat at the same times, we eat the same things, we bombard our systems constantly. We get almost panicky if we feel even a pang of hunger, and we make ourselves too comfortable. Now, don't get me wrong, I consider myself a cold person, but I try really hard to not blast the heating every time I'm a bit cold. Because if I do that, my body is never going to adjust to stressful situations, just like my ancestors had to do when they didn't have a choice about how hot and cold they were. And as a result, I've built up a level of immune resilience and mental strength. It's about adapting, and that's something we don't really give our bodies and our brains that opportunity to do nowadays. Immune function increases when we offer ourselves that resilience through doing things that are outside of our comfort zones. So, doing one thing at least every day to push yourself to a little bit of resilience will do wonders not only for your physical strength and your immunity, but also for your mental health, your capacity for adaptation, your tolerance for stress, and your happiness levels. So try having cold showers. Push yourself a little bit past hunger sometimes. Create changes in your diet and lifestyle to create variation, and allow yourself to sometimes be a little bit cold or a little bit hot, and generally choosing a little bit of discomfort just to push you to resilience. And you will notice a huge difference in your well-being.